Is it recording? Living in Syracuse means dealing with common everyday issues. And of course, one common issue is clogging drains. Essential things everyone should know in Syracuse about drain cleaning. Brought to you by Superior Drain Solutions. Prevention is key. Avoid pouring grease, coffee grounds, and non-biodegradable items down the drain to prevent clogs. Professional tools make a difference. Our drain cleaning experts use specialized tools like hydrojetters and camera inspection gear to diagnose and solve drain issues effectively. Knowing how your drainage system works can help you maintain it better and spot issues early. Regular drain cleaning can prevent major clogs and prolong the life of your plumbing system. And of course, professional expertise matters. While you might try some sort of DIY project, and that can be a short-term solution, hiring professionals like Superior Drain Solutions here in Syracuse is your answer to your problems. Nice closing. Honest pricing for honest work. That's what you're going to get from Superior Drain Solutions. I can't do it, I'm too cold. Let's call it quits.